What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now tap on do not disturb and then you will see a do not disturb button. So if you have enabled do not disturb, then tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the voicemail notifications will start working, because when do not disturb is on, it will silence the calls and notifications in your phone. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after that your issue will be fixed. Now after that, if you are still facing the issue while receiving the voicemail notifications, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the voicemail notifications will start working properly. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset all settings option here, it will reset all your mobile phone settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all settings, the voicemail notification issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notifications not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.